I'm really excited to give this Tamagotchi Uni to my daughter. Let's open it up and see how cool it is. This is how it comes out of the box. Very detailed instructions for the parents. USB-C to USB cord. Nice flexible silicone band here that it can pop right into. Just like that, with quite an ability to adjust it to any sized wrist. I would say that it is very oversized, so it is definitely more of a toy. This will definitely stand out on your child's wrist. It would be large on my wrist. And here is what the Tamagotchi looks like. Has a little speaker on the top, and it charges on the bottom, and then it has this big screen right here. When I first pulled it out, I thought it needed batteries, as none of these buttons were doing anything, but then I held down the middle button, the B button, until the screen lit up, and now if I press any button, it just turns right on. So let's set this up together. You have 3 buttons. This is your select button, confirm, and cancel or back. So I just want to hit this until I get to the language I want, English, and confirm. And now I'm going to enter the current date and time. And then you pick the way you want to read the date. I'm going with month, day, year. And then you have to add a nickname. And you can do a lot for the nickname. You can do letters of all different sorts. You even have emoticons. And then we're going to add the birthday. I'm going to add my daughter's birthday to this. And then you get to pick where your Tamagotchi lives. And then it goes to a QR code for a privacy policy for you to check out if you want to. And it also has a QR code to the terms. Next, you'll want to set up Wi-Fi. You can select to connect it to a phone or by device. And device is your network, so you can select this to find your network and enter your password. And for this, auto works most of the time. Then you just find your network and enter your password. Or you can set up with your smartphone and it'll set it up for you, which is way faster. You just scan a code and then you'll enter the password on your phone and we're in. First thing you do is select your egg. Let's go with the purple egg. And now if this is anything like the original Tamagotchi, it's going to take a little while for that egg to hatch. It is now cracking open. Now we have options. It looks like my Tamagotchi is sad. It looks like it needs food. Looks like I have options, but it's still in training mode, so it's going to go milk. So my Tamagotchi is still sad. I'll take care of that in a moment, but let me show you a little bit about your Tamagotchi. They have a full home, which you can go to by hitting select, and you can see the different spaces. You have a kitchen, the bathroom, the bedroom, and it can even go outside. And then when you hit select, you have a variety of options. The first one is your status settings. And in here you can see the status of your Tamagotchi, and I can see their profile. They're still on day 1 and they're lonely. And I can control the brightness and the sound here, which is key, as I will turn off the sound for my daughter. I'll leave it on for now. Then you can feed them food, snacks, and later on delivery. You can have them go to the bathroom for the bath or the toilet. And this is the phone icon, and you can call the sitter or have a social call or call past Tamagotchis. These 2 are not yet available. My Tamagotchi needs to grow up a little more. Then this one is the Tamaverse. This is also not available yet. The next one is items, and there will be more items, accessories, furniture, and crafts, but right now we're just at the simple starter items of a cleaning robot and a rattle. And then this is an option to go out. This one you can connect to other Tamagotchis. So if your kid knows anyone else with a Tamagotchi Uni, you can connect. And the final one is just settings. Now my Tamagotchi is much happier. We've played a lot and ate a lot of food. And these down here are Gotchi points, which you'll earn and be able to spend on different things. And over time you'll get care icons, and these are for items that you have done well. I've only gotten 1 so far, but there are quite a few to earn. So that's fun too. But as you can see, it's very much a level up from the original Tamagotchi. And as soon as my baby turns into a teen and an adult, a lot more options will open up. So it definitely motivates you to take care of your baby Tamagotchi and see what they turn into. This is a really fun toy, very interactive, without too much screen, allows them to still stay in the present. Definitely recommend it. The Tamagotchi Uni.